Oh, that's cute. Look what I got for you. Bye, Scarlett. Hello, Pancake. What are you made out of? Oh, you're made out of pancake. Oh, let's go back inside, Mr. Pancake. Hello, I'm Mr. Pancake. It's way too early. Bobby? Yes? Will you explain to the camera what happened to you earlier involving a pancake? Are you taking the piss? No. Okay. See what happened this morning? Is that I took one of these here pancakes. I think it was this one right here. I covered it in syrup and butter. And I was like, Bobby, you want some pancake? And he started laughing. He was sleeping right there. Oh, this is my brother's room. I just figured out I could make pancakes.
Throw syrup over all my clothes.
No, it was an accident if I put syrup on your clothes.
Okay,
because it just dripped onto your clothing.
Are you still sitting up there?
With my camera, my video camera. Willy Wallo's making a video. Go look at the pancakes. The scene of the crime. Oh my God, there's a friggin' pancake. I wonder who made it. Maybe I did. Let's see. Let's butter her up. Can I butter your pancake? Butter. May I butter your pancake? Where's my... Alright. May I put syrup on your pancake? Yes, sir.
How disgusting that sounds.
May I butter your pancake, Bobby? May I fork your pancake? Yes, please.
I think the syrup one didn't sound as right.
Yeah, may I syrup your pancake? Pancake! Oh! Oh! Pancake! Look, some of that pancake has been eaten. Let's spread this butter out a little bit so the whole pancake gets This pancake is a real pancake. Oh God, I just got some syrup on my face. Oh God. Oh, what is this? Is this butter? Oh. Oh God, butter. Butter. Oh, paper towel. Oh, paper towel, thank God. You live here. More pancake now. Okay, pancake. I would rub syrup all over me, but syrup never comes off. Ever. Ever. Wow, Trevor, these are delicious pancakes. There's like no soft parts or like gooey parts at all. I guess we know who can make pancakes. Do you want some pancakes, Trevor? I know I do. But you know what, Trevor? This pancake wants you. Why am I talking to you, Trevor, on the video? I should be talking to my whole audience, which is not very many people. No, really. And I'm wearing glasses, yes. Whoa, who just came inside? Princess, you want some pancakes? Pretty Sickle. Pin, come here. Let's have some pancakes. Pretty, no. Come back here. You need some pancakes. Here's some pancakes for you. Princess, pancakes! Oh, jeez, I just spat all over the place. Who can I feed the pancakes to? Oh, God. Oh, my God. This is going to be great. Hey, Bob. Do you want some pancakes since you couldn't stay for some earlier? Pancakes. Hey, Mom. You want some pancakes? How does that taste? Better than beans and rice and peas and stewed chicken? I bet you like those pancakes. Pancakes like you a lot. Muy pancchiato. Okay. I don't know if I want to eat this part of the pancake anymore. Because frankly, it kind of scares me a little bit. Because this pancake's been just about everywhere. So, bye, Mr. Pancake! You are the weakest link. Goodbye. Back to the big pancake. Or half the big pancake. Mr. Pancake. How are you? It's been too long. Mr. Pancake, I think you would be delicious with some Heinz sweet relish. Oh, Mr. Pancake. Oh my God. And how about some delectable hydrogen peroxide? Yes. Yes. Oh, how about some orange 409? Oh my God. Mr. Pancake, what are you doing? Oh God. Oh my God, there's another pancake. What are you doing? Is this pancake sex? I think it is, and relish and hydrogen peroxide and 409 orange shit. Oh God, pancake sex is delectable. Oh God, syrup, warm syrup all over. Yes, pancake, yes. Oh my God.